Okay, so this is my review for the Bissell 1984 Air Ram cordless vacuum. As you can see, I also have a rainbow with the rainbow mate. This rainbow runs about $3,000. So I first vacuumed this rug. It's about 6 feet by 8 feet with my rainbow, with the rainbow mate, which is made for carpets and upholsteries to really pull out dirt because it's a powered motor head attachment. And so 2 hours later, nobody's been in my house. I went over it with the Bissell 1984, and as you can see, it actually pulled out a decent amount of stuff from my little tiny rug here that's been vacuumed multiple times, again with a $3,000 rainbow vacuum. The rainbow vacuum filters through water. The Bissell took maybe 45 minutes to charge the battery fully. When you go to use it, it's super simple. What you're gonna do is turn it to the side, pull this up, put your foot down, and power it on. You can see the 4 little lights that were right here. That's the battery pack. That's letting you know that it's fully charged. It's not that loud. The light on it is pretty amazing. And when you want to pull this out, the canister, you literally just pull it out. From there, okay, so when you're going to empty it, this just pops right off. Then you're going to dump it over. You're going to take this green lever and do that, and it's going to clear your canister for you. And then you pop it close. It's just this right here, and it pops up. The instructions are right here, so it's super easy to read with the green back. This pulls out. This is an individual filter that you can wash, and it comes right off for you to go wash it. Make sure it's fully dry. I would probably give it a complete 12 to 16 hours to ensure that the foam is all the way dry, and then you just pop it back in. Just make sure that you pull this green lever back up over here, and then you're going to walk it back over and snap it back in, and then you're ready to go.
there, I have a couple of dogs, and this machine is fantastic. First of all, I'd like to show you how easy it is to empty the cup. This lifts right out like that, and then you pull the lever and it empties it. It is so easy, snaps right back in. And as you can see, there are a lot of little crumblies here, things from the yard. So I'm going to show you how well it picks up. And those are some spots that the floor also needs to be mopped, but it picks up hair and any kind of dirt from your floor really easily. It's not too loud, it's easy to maneuver, and the battery power I'm really impressed with. The battery just pops out as well. I don't know if I can do that with one hand, probably not. Yes, and there is nothing I don't like about this machine.
Comes out real easy, although there is a small problem that it usually has a little bit of dirt, so I'd bring it outside before I dump it usually, and I'll just kind of dump out a little bit of sand that's left. And then I'm going to set this up right here. You got this, you just pop that open, dump that out, making sure you get everything by clearing that out. Lift it all the way up, close it, pops the filter out, very easy. And then you can also take that off. Very easy to clean. And you can wash this with water, and you just gotta let it dry out.
Okay, here we go. AirRam K9. Here we go, all nice and powered up. Here, I'm gonna unplug it. But there it is, nice all plugged up. Nice clean filter. I just cleaned the bristles, so they're nice and clean and oh, right? Now watch this. Ready? Nothing. Nothing. I hate this thing.